Welcome to BCOM 400, Global Business Communication. This is a very brief overview of our course website. I would like to tell you in advance that I have spent quite a bit of time in Thailand and Laos and was there, in fact, during the break and came back a few weeks ago. I'll be adding insights about communication issues that I encountered during my trip as we go forward. Under the Start From Here tab, you'll find just an overview along with an APA video and a link to the learning modules. Here is the syllabus. The syllabus contains the due dates for assignments, and I'll make a video very shortly overviewing the syllabus. Here is some information about myself, the technology requirements for the course, and then the weekly modules. All of them are designed basically the same manner. You click, think. There's an overview of the learning tasks. In this case, it's simply one activity, yellow dig. And the yellow dig directions are over here if you've not used it. There's a paper guide, PDF guide, a video. I've created two visuals on how the yellow dig works. I have further yellow dig resources here. You will be doing an infographic, 3 projects. This explains the activity. This is where you upload those activities. The midterm exam will be posted here along with the final. So that's pretty simple of how the course website is organized.